Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akimbola speaking. So in today's video, I want to talk about something that's been a major issue with the CAC portal, and a lot of people have been having these issues, and it's just really disheartening. And the issue is that this issue is not a pre-incorporation issue. It's an issue that you notice after the registration has been completed, and this issue can cause you a lot of money to correct and a lot of stress, right, to be able to fix this particular issue. So let me quickly show you my screen to share with you these details. All right, so right now this is a particular registration that someone did, and you can see that it's showing about 7 shareholders in the company and 7 subscribers of the company, and all these 7 subscribers are having, this one has 500, this one has 300, this one has 200, while all others are showing 0, which is not supposed to be. For you to be a subscriber in a company's share, you must be having at least 1% of the share. It can be less than 1%, but at least you must have a part of the share, right? So how can you be showing as a subscriber of the company and having 0% of the share, which is not supposed to be, right? So it means that there's an issue, internal issue, and one of the issues I'm noticing is based on the details that are showing up for the subscribers. All these are repetition of the already subscribed participant, right? The subscribers' details are repeating, and that repetition is showing 0 for this one. So that means the first thing that needs to be done, if this issue is showing up on the back end, that is post incorporation, these details ought to be deleted first, and I know what it costs to delete per shareholder, right? So that means you are deleting all this repetition from the shareholders' details. And also, these ones, you can see that all the signatures are showing the same, which is not supposed to be. All subscribers cannot be having the same signature. They can be close, they might not be far from each other, but they cannot be the same signature. So this is a major issue as well, right? So the bank will definitely reject this if you want to carry out your registration process, right? So one of the reasons why I think this issue occurred, let me quickly show you, is that I feel, number one, the first thing you should do is that when carrying out your registration, you must preview the registration process. You must carry out a preview. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. So for instance, now I'm carrying out a registration right now, and when carrying out the registration on my screen right now, after I've done anything, right, and I'm currently at the preview stage, I must preview the details that has been supplied. These details could include now all these details, things I'm going to show you, they are not peculiar. So just for example, so look at now, you view the details. Let's say this is the signature of a proprietor. You confirm if it's actually showing the correct signature. You come here as well for the whatever the details is. It is the director. You confirm if the actual signature that you have uploaded is what is showing up. If this check is very important, you check the ID card as well. I'm not opening the ID card. You check the ID card, the ID card has been properly uploaded. These are rudimental things that must be done. Before now, when the portal was still optimized, this is not an issue, right? Once you do your registration and all, you just submit. Even me, before now, I don't used to preview. But I think it is high time that we preview the details of our registration before they are being completed. So you don't want to take any chances. Confirm the signatures were properly uploaded. Confirm the ID cards are properly uploaded. Confirm if you are uploading the right document or whatever the case is before you save and continue and make payments, right? Very, very crucial, because you don't want to find yourself in a situation whereby you will be spending more than you have made on registration just to correct that particular registration, right? So preview all registrations, no matter how many registrations you are doing in a day. Preview them first before you go ahead and pay for them. That way, you can be sure that it is an internal glitch, and the internal glitch didn't happen before payment. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. It is important, if you are checked before, if you are certain that you uploaded different signatures, and you checked that the signature that you uploaded is the correct signature that is showing at the preview stage, right, then you are fine. But if you uploaded the signature, I didn't check if the proper signature was actually uploaded, then you might be running into an issue. So you might be think you have uploaded the right signature. At the end of the day, the wrong signature was actually uploaded. So the error could be from you or from the system. It's better for you to be able to triple check, double check that the error or the mistake is not from you. I'm a CAC registration expert. We have courses on how to become an expert and accredited agent on CAC portal, right? So do well to check the details of these courses on the description below. We have the CAC Ultimate Bundle course going for 10,000 naira. We have the accredited agent access for 20,000 naira. So click the description link below to get access to them. So I'll see you in the next one for any other update. My name is Ezekiel. Bye.